Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to center header menu position in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, without wasting your time to hearing a lot of joking history in any video tutorials, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Here I am going to share very easy and fast process that you can follow and get the result instantly. So let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and I wanted to make the menu position in center. Okay, to do this, first of all we have to log in our Shopify admin panel, then click online store. Super easy. Then click on customize, open it on another tab. Just press your control from keyboard and right click on your mouse, then another tab open automatically. Okay, then click on the header, change desktop logo position middle left. Okay, keep it in middle left, then save. Okay, now you can see that the logo on the left, the menu also in the left side, but we wanted to make it in center. Okay, then go back your admin panel, open and click on this three dot icon. Of course, don't forget to go to the theme section, then click on the edit code, open base.css file, just search base and you will find the base.css file. Click on this file, go to the bottom of this file, make a little bit space. Okay, now you have to go to my website where you will get the free code snippet. You just have to copy this code and you will get this code snippet link in this video description. So don't forget to check out the video description to get the free ready code snippet. Okay, here is my website e-commerce thesis and I have already added an article in here. Here is the ready code snippet. Just copy all the code. Okay, go back your base.css file and paste this code snippet. Click on the save, asset save. Now go pick your store, reload. Wow, it's working. So easy, simple and fast. So I hope you understand everything very clearly, very easily. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.